Hello YouTubers. Recently I broke my PS3 controller, so I didn't have any spare controller, so I was using my PS3 and PS1 controller via converter, which is this, and yesterday this fell and stopped working at all, so it's still connected but nothing's happening. I finally found out what's the problem with this converter. So today I will show you how to fix a converter. So first we need to open this. There. Okay. Now both the screws are out. Well, I have already I already cut the back, the USB head, just to save us more time. So I figured out the problem was like this wasn't working for some reason. I don't know, it fell and it just stopped working for some reason. Well, here I have already cut one end off on data cable, and here is the other part of my converter. That's right. Now we'll just connect the wires, white to white, red to red, green to green, and here it's blue and this one has a black. So I'm guessing the blue will go to the black, and hopefully it will work. As you can see, I've connected all the wires properly. Hopefully it will work now with my laptop.
No?
Look, it's working again. Well, now I'll just try it with my PS3. Now I'll just put the screws back. Hopefully it will work on the PS3 too. Let's just go to my PS3. It's working perfectly finally. Now I'll just connect the controller. Oopsies. I got the connection, as you can see.